Welcome to Seed Story. Today I am going to tell you about how a seed turns into nice plant or tree. Let's start. The first step is to prepare the soil for planting. The soil should be loosened and enriched with organic matter before planting. Once the soil is prepared, plant the seeds. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. After planting, water the seeds thoroughly and keep the soil moist until germination occurs. Usually takes 7 to 14 days. For germination to occur, the seed needs water, oxygen, and a suitable temperature. When the seed is exposed to these conditions, it absorbs water and starts to swell. The swelling of the seed causes the outer layer to crack open, and a small root emerges from the seed. Once the root has anchored the plant into the ground, the shoot starts to develop. The shoot grows upwards towards the sunlight and develops leaves and stems. Once the root has anchored the plant into the ground, the shoot starts to develop. Little water, little water. As the plant grows, it starts to perform photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which it converts sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into energy and oxygen. This process allows the plant to grow and produce more leaves, stems, and eventually flowers or fruit. This process allows the plant to grow and produce more leaves, stems, and eventually flowers or fruit. As the plant matures, it will produce a large flower head with bright yellow petals and a dark center. The flower head will face east and follow the sun throughout the day, a phenomenon known as heliotropism.